with luscious and savory filling of spinach and feta in beautifully browned, crisp puff pastry. Here is the spinach and feta puff pastry. Welcome to Love Your Family. I am YT. To make a perfect pie crust, in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, mix 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 cup of chilled, unsalted butter and combine it with the flour mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water to make the dough. Add another 2 tablespoons of cold water later and knead it with your hand very softly. Don't put the pressure at all. Cover the dough with cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan and add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Add about 400 grams of baby spinach. We didn't have baby spinach, so we used adult spinach instead. Mix it well and cook it for a few minutes until it's wilted. Add freshly ground pepper. Add 300 grams of crumbled feta cheese. Mix it well with spinach and let it cool. Lightly dust the rolling board or work surface with flour. Take the dough out of refrigerator, lightly dust with flour and cut it into 2 equal halves. Cover one of the halves with cling wrap and put it back in the refrigerator. Start rolling out the dough. Dust it with flour as you need. Hey guys, today my daughter is the one who is making this recipe. I'm here helping her and taking the video. Roll out the dough in rectangular shape and cut off the rough edges. Cut it further into long strips and ensure that they are not attached to the board. Keep the whole board back in refrigerator. Take the second dough out of refrigerator and roll it out into rectangular shape. Make it nice and smooth. Now heat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In the rectangle, pile the filling in the center, giving it a long shape along the length of the rectangle. Now, take the strips out and arrange it on top of the filling like it is shown in the video. Cut the rough edges, leaving about 2 centimeters from the filling. Press and fold the edges to seal them off. The recipe for pie crust is from Martha Stewart's website, and we have made some changes. And the recipe for filling is from Olive magazine with some changes made as well. We'll include the links in the description below. And get rid of those protruding corners. press down the edges with a fork to seal it further. And it also gives that touch of beautification to the pastry. Beat an egg and brush it all over the pastry. Put it back in the refrigerator until the oven is heated. When the oven is preheated, put the pastry in for 25 minutes. Now 25 minutes is over, and here is the pastry. Look at that golden brown edges and listen to this crispiness. A perfect blend of hot, crisp puff and savory filling of spinach and feta cheese. It smells heavenly. I'm feeling ravenous. Oh my gosh, this tastes amazing. Hope you'll make this recipe for your family and yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, don't forget to press the subscribe button.